Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to maintain your account accordingly by buying shares, and also have some account for the upcoming stocks to buy. So let's get started. First of all, I want to mention here that if you want to buy stocks, you should also have some balance in your account as well. If you buy shares, buy no more than in three-fourth of the share stocks. What does this mean? If you have $100 in your account, sorry for my handwriting, invest three portions of it in stocks. If you have $100, invest three portions of it in stocks. That means invest 75 dollars in your in stocks, and keep the rest 25% in your account. Why invest 75% and why keep 25%, $25? Sorry, I said percentage, sorry. Invest 75% in stocks, and why in three different stocks in companies? Why this? By investing in three different companies, like 25, 25 and 25, by investing this amount, this shows, by investing in this pattern, in this method, sorry, you are diversifying your portfolio. You are diversifying your portfolio. You are investing one in this, second this, and third this, and keeping the rest this one. So buying in these three companies, now investing in three different companies, this you should do this because, let's say, if this companies go down, these two will go up. You can profit from this one, and if this one goes down, the rest, the fourth portion you have saved for, you have saved earlier from these three, you can buy stocks in this end. Later on, when it gets in upward direction, you can profit from it. So this is the method of how to diversify your portfolio. This this is also called diversifying your portfolio. By applying this method, this is a useful method of to apply, as it can gives you profit as well, as you can see here. As you can see here in this one, 25, 25, 25 and 25. By applying, whenever you like, let's say this is $100, divide it by 4. How much money you have, divide that by 4, and it will give you the total number. Invest that number in three different stocks. This is the method of how you should do investing in the stock market. Now let me show you something else beside this. Now let's say you have $100, and instead of investing in three different companies, invest in one company. And if let's say you assume that this company will go up, so buy the stocks in that company of $75, and leave the rest 25 in your account, in your trading account. If you invest $75, and let's say the stock's price comes down, then how far it came down, then invest that $25 into that same stock which you've bought earlier. Let's say you've bought stocks in Amazon worth and of $75. Let's say the share price is $2. You bought the share price is $2. Let me write it down. Share price, and you bought shares worth of $75. No, $74, sorry. This won't be 75, this will become 74, and you have the remaining $26 in your account. Now let's say you assume that this the share price will go up. Instead of going up, it came down to $1.5. Then the rest $26 that you have saved, you're going to invest that again in this in Amazon again, and will buy. And let's say this time if it come back to 2, you're going to profit from it zero point 0.5. These are the this is a great method to apply in the stock market, as you can see it's more profitable from you can profit from it. By applying this method you can gain consistent amount of profit from it. But the key thing is that you will have to wait for the profit to gain, as I've showed to you in my previous videos, that you'll have to wait for the stock prices to come back to its normal. And this was the method of applying in this it's a useful method, as you can see here, by diversifying your portfolio into 4 different sections. You can also diversify invest in one company as well if you think that company is going to go up, but the better choice is to have some of the money in your account for later investment. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.